Hi everyone, I'm back here with another interesting use case of how to use ChatGPT and CrawlQ together to create outstanding content, blog content. And in this example, what I'm doing is I already have some sort of idea or these different types of blog template, which is part of the CrawlQ. You can find them here if you go inside CrawlQ and if you search for Notion notes, then you will get some of these templates here. And these templates are pretty much standard template for blogs as based on the industry standards defined from HubSpot, for example. So, as you know, ChatGPT need certain amount of pre-context to seed with ChatGPT the idea what we want to do. In this step, what I did, I copied some part of this template and I gave it a try one or two times to ChatGPT to learn it what exactly I want, right? I tried it two, three times and I'm asking it basically based on above, create a template which is highly optimized for SEO and best performing blog post. And then ChatGPT will spit out my pattern into a specific template pattern. You can see here this is a specific template pattern. So it starts with main topic of interest, ultimate guide, provide introduction, what is main topic, what are the benefits of main topic, and that's the usual language, or this is how Athena understand also the information, right? So even if you have a pre-set of template which is working well for you, just copy paste this template and ask ChatGPT to convert this into a specific question answer format template. And this is what I did. You can repeat my steps. You can go to CrawlQ. You can open this Notion notes. There are many templates here written with this specific adaptation to CrawlQ. Okay, and you can copy some of these template and put it in the ChatGPT. Try two, three times asking ChatGPT be more specific, and then you can copy paste this template into the template builder of ChatGPT. So that's what the name of the template. Template name is Ultimate Guide, main topic of interest. This title, the Ultimate Guide, main topic of interest. Then what basically we are doing here is we are just using this output from ChatGPT to build the template here. So I put the description here and then I copy pasted the information from here to here. So provide a brief overview of the main topic of interest. This we want to show to our user or to ourselves. Basically, this is a guide for us to create the blog post, right? Provide a brief overview of the main topic of interest. You can also switch off this, then it won't show you in the output, okay? And I have selected here sources, market research, market insights, Google, Quora, Reddit. So whatever source best fit to this specific prompt, Athena will pick up that from this specific prompt or specific information that Athena has learned from social listening, from your own market research, your inputs, right? So I'm not going into the research part, but this assumes that you have research already done in CrawlQ and you're using now ChatGPT to build some smart templates. Provide a brief overview of the main topic of interest, then question what is the main topic of interest, insert definitions and example, explanation of the main topic, what are the benefits of main topic. So you can see I have built the entire template here, right? And now I'm going to use this template to show you the output. Okay, so I press here button, create template, and this template is now available for any kind of workspace that you're working in the private section here. Okay. Now I'm going to use this template. So you can see this is here, ultimate guide, main topic of interest. Now, in order to apply, you need to click next. The main topic here in this workspace is marketing strategy and planning. And the initial content idea for this is how to optimize marketing strategy for CMOs. So this entire workspace is about focusing on the CMOs of a brand, and we want to help them with proper marketing strategy and planning. And in this context, we want to this particular blog post, which we will create using this template, will help them to apply best standards and practices for annual marketing strategy and planning. Yeah. So as I said, you need some inputs to trigger this template. We have already done a specific market research. Based on this input, we are going to create output, the template that we just have created using ChatGPT. Okay, so here again to repeat the steps, we took an example of the blog post template. There are some examples already that you can pick from Notion Note, or you might have your own idea. You give some initial instruction to ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT will learn the pattern that you want to create a template like this. And using this template, you can create a template that I have earlier showed you. Yeah. Now you can see that we have created a output from this template. So main topic of interest is how to optimize marketing strategy for CMO. This includes using AI based and predictive analytics to increase conversions and customer satisfaction. The main topic of interest, how to optimize marketing strategy for CMO. Again, you can see how to optimize market strategy for CMO. Marketing strategy and planning is the process of creating a plan to promote and sell a product or service. This includes identifying potential customers, determining how best to reach them. You can further break this information down into pieces. For example, this includes identifying potential customers. Okay, so you can create bullet points here, determining how best to reach to them. Second bullet point, setting goals for increased sales, right? And then let's keep it like that. And you can easily create or expand this into paragraph. You can ask more question. Once you select this, you will see that you can write me Athena. You can use write me Athena to create a paragraph. You can ask a specific question. You can convert this part into a post, social post. You can pre-select some keyword and you can force Athena to write in those using those specific keywords. You can create outline further using this, and you can also generate some relevant quotes, stats to add. You can see we can go many layers. So even we select one sentence and it can say what are the benefits of marketing and sales plan, and now you can use ask me Athena to expand on it, right? So you can apply all those tools that are available you inside the editor, and this way you can create a blog post very easily. Benefits of marketing strategy and plan, main topic of interest, increase conversion and customer satisfaction, improve decision making, reduce cost. You see, you get almost these 6 or 7 points, or these 10 points, and you can expand them into a blog post, or or you can take them each one of them and expand and write a lengthy ebook or white paper. What are some common mistakes to avoid when starting? Failing to reach and plan appropriately before beginning work, not tailoring main topic to this marketing strategy and planning to meet the specific needs of audience. You can see that you can tweak this language and you can use the tools that we have to further create blog post or further enhance this. What are some common mistakes to avoid? What are some advanced tips for the main topic of interest? Maybe this thing is repeated twice, so I'll double check in my template. But this is a good example how you can just use ChatGPT to teach or define some context. In that context, you can create a template. You can insert this template here, and you can possibilities are kind of sky is limit here, right? So there are many possibilities here how you can create many different types of templates, because in our example set we have different types of template: YouTube description template, Facebook or LinkedIn short template, how to make quick buyer persona template, LinkedIn cold prospecting, how to use AIDA framework, how to write long form sales letter. I mean, if you just take this template and you can fine tune it further, like this is a whole template to write, for example, a sales letter, right? You can you can grab this template, put it in the chat GPT, and then create your own version of the template that you can put back again here in the template builder. So you can customize your sales letter, social media post, and once you customize, you add them as template here. You can use them. You can publish this as a blog post. You can leave this. You can get a link from here. You can copy this link. You can share it. If you refine it right, you can already share this content to your network. If you have someone who can help you to review and expand on it, like your virtual assistant, you can share them this link. If you want to review them later, you can also schedule it inside the app so you can see in the published calendar. So for example, here I'm adding this. I have a VA. She is going to pick up this template and she is going to further expand it into a proper blog post. That's how I published it. And now once I published it, I can send that link to her and she can pick it up from here and further expand my work, right? To find this, you just click this article and you will see that this post that I have just created is available here. I just need to share the link with her and she can open with the same access and she can expand on it. So this is my next step to expand on this, and this is how I'm creating blog post on CrawlQ AI website. You can also navigate to that and see yourself this workflow. Okay, so I hope this is very useful. The power of ChatGPT combining together the template builder and how to optimize this workflow in the new year. Start with new year, right? And if you can follow this throughout the year to create some outstanding templates, use these templates in your workflow and create some outstanding content which convert and generate more bottom line sales for you. That will be the real power and investment of your time and effort with CrawlQ. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for my more updates like this coming days where I'm going to intensively combine the power of ChatGPT with CrawlQ. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.